Guys, this poor cat. He just did a front flip. He's trying to escape. And I feel so bad though. Oh, what's his name? Puffy.
Puffy. Hey, Puffy. You're okay, baby. Down there, baby.
It's okay, little buddy. Come on.
Okay, Puffy. He's wonderful. Take me home.
Come on. Come on. It's okay, it's okay. Oh, did he stop? Oh, come on. Meow. Oh, there he goes. Oh, he's gonna add it again. He's gonna go at it again. Here you go, guys. Here's the main part. Here's the main part. You zoom in on him. Zoom in.
I could probably hang on for you if you wanted to.
Yeah, he named me. He's smart. Guys, he did a front flip earlier. Now he's meowing. Meow. Meow. Me. I'm bleeding. I'm bleeding. Yeah. Seems like one. They should have named him Brownie. Aw, poor little guy. Oh, dude, I wish I could take you home, but I already have 2 dogs. Hopefully this is the end of his run, so see you guys. I needed to record this.